So if you're looking at me right now wondering, is she wearing fish bag earrings? Why, yes. Yes, I am wearing fish bag earrings, and they're so stinking cute. Look at them. No, they're my 14-year-old daughter. She wanted them for Christmas. I was a little skeptical, but I feel like there's worse things a 14-year-old could ask for Christmas, and now I love them. They're just adorable. All right, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video and a test video, so to speak. So a few of you guys have commented down below, and I think I pinpointed what the problem is. But a few of you guys have commented and said that the quality of my videos are not quite there, or it's fuzzy or blurry. And I think I pinpointed that apparently it's people that watch YouTube on television. So I know I asked quite a few of you guys, are you seeing a quality issue? It seems like all the people that are watching on devices are not having an issue. All the people that are watching on their television are having an issue. So I'm hoping that I fix the issue and this will look just crystal clear on your TV. We're hoping. If not, please comment down below and let me know, because I do want to get this problem fixed. I mean, I just got a new camera in November, you guys. Like, I didn't tell you guys that because I just wanted to see if anybody would notice. And I noticed, and I know a few people did comment and say that they noticed, but apparently for those of you guys that watch on your Samsung TVs, not so much. So hopefully we can get this issue fixed. And in the meantime, we're going to unbox a new subscription box. So this is a Bella Skincare, or Bella Skin box. They were nice enough to send me, I think this is their January and February, or January and February. I don't know. It's a January and February box. So we're going to check that out while we're testing out this this new thing here. Hopefully it works. All right. So I don't really know which one of these is which. So let's just look real fast. So Bella Skin Box is a skincare box, obviously. So it's all skincare. It's $35 a month for up to $150 worth of cruelty-free products. They are based out of Los Angeles, California. I do have an Instagram page, and they did give me a code for you guys. I will put that, I don't know, right here somewhere for you. And then, of course, in the description box. So, again, let's just figure out what's what here. All right. So, I don't know. Does it say? Oh, okay. So, this is January's box. I opened the right box. I didn't even know. Like, first try. That's amazing. Okay. So, there's some information here. Top me time tips. So, it talks about giving you some me time and all that kind of thing. And then, of course, there's a little card that lists all the products, how much the box value is. Now, you guys know I'm really picky about my skincare. And even though this was sent to me free for a review, I'm going to be honest with you guys. And I'm sorry, we're like 3 minutes in and I'm just now pulling the first product out of the box. I know who you are. Go ahead. Timestamp it down below. All right. If it makes you feel better, just timestamp it. Okay. So this right here says this is a cuticle candy natural cuticle oil. It's 1 ounce of fluid. This looks really nifty. Like, do you guys see that? Like, that really looks kind of cool. Like, really, really cool. And I don't have a good cuticle oil, so this is actually good to have and nice to have, and not something I normally get in a skincare box. And this says that it retails for $16. It has Cemendasia chinensis seed oil. It also has tocopherol acetate, and it's a fragrance. So let's see what kind of fragrance we got here. Oh, wow. That smells weird. It smells like, it literally smells like candy. That's like the perfect name for it. Okay, so it's like kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like yellow. Let's put a little droppy on my cuticle there. Okay, so it feels really nice. It's very nice, very oily. I'm digging that. I can deal with that. Ooh, that feels really nice. Very oily, of course, but nice nevertheless. All right, let's move on to the next product. Okay, so this is called Dirty Lamb Lip Rocks. So I'm guessing this is like a lip sugar scrub thing. I don't know if you guys can see it because the writing is really, really light on there. Okay, so the Dirty Lamb Lip Rocks is $12. And, ooh, big no-no for me. So it says, your lips will tingle with peppermint, and seconds later, you will reveal a plump, smooth pout. Use 3 times a week or as needed. So I will not use peppermint. It does come sealed here. We'll just, you know, go ahead and open it and give it a little sniff. Ooh, yeah, that's a lot of peppermint. So I am not a fan of peppermint on my lips, or really on my skin, period, because peppermint is very drying. It can be very, very drying. And to me, it is really drying. I noticed when I cut out the peppermint items or lip plumpers that had peppermint in them, once I cut those out of my skincare routine and my lip routine, I did not have nearly as dry of lips. So something to kind of keep an eye out for if you're using peppermint items. So that's a no-go for me, but it is a good product. If it didn't have the peppermint oil, I would be a little more excited for it. All right, so the next thing in here is the Dirty Little Lamb Ultra Night Serum. I've never heard of this company, Dirty Little Lamb. So I don't know if this is a Bella Skin company or if it's actually, I mean, the products look, you know, legit. It's got, you know, all the information on here and everything. And it's just actually distributed right here in Akron, Ohio, which is not very far away from where I'm at. So very, very interesting. But so this is the Ultra Night Serum. It says hydrate and protect. And this doesn't smell scented, which is good. Okay, so this has got a lot of really, really good ingredients in here, except for when we get to the orange oil and the lavender oil. So those are, I don't know, I think those are on my list of no oils. There are some oils that are good for your skin, and then there are some that are not so good for your skin. And my esthetician and dermatologist gave me, I'll put the list up right here. And I think Polished Choice also has a list up of no oils. So I can't remember if that's on that list or not. So I'll look more into that. But other than that, I do like the fact that it does not have any fragrance in it. So that's great, especially if I'm putting it on my face. And it's a night serum, and it says that this retails for $52. Holy smackaroonies. Okay, so yeah, there is 1 whole fluid ounce of product. So we'll set that off to the side, and let's move. What is this? This looks very interesting. This looks interesting. We'll see. So this is called a Morning Perk by Me Time Botanicals. Is 100% natural, caffeine and blueberry seed eye and facial serum. So I'll show you guys what that looks like right there. It's all nice and wrapped up. So let's get it open. With that cuticle oil made my fingers are so slick and oily right now. I guess, I mean, what did I expect, right? A cuticle oil. I can't open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's like a little roller ball here. So let's see, what are we doing here? Okay, so this is very oily too. Like all of these products are very oily, very, very oily. So this retails for $25. It is a lightweight yet deeply moisturizing serum and facial oil in one to immediately deliver a dewy and brightened complexion, helps eliminate under eye puffiness, inflammation, and brightens dark circles and softens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I don't know. Again, I'll have to look at the ingredients and see if this is something that I can use and try out. And if it's something amazing, I'll let you guys know. All right, so it looks like is this the last item? Yep, okay. So the last item in here is a Pure Soul Let It Roll Micro Needle Derma Roller. It says it firms and plumps, and yeah. Okay, so I myself am not into derma rollers. I know everybody has their own opinion on this subject, but for me personally, so derma rolling is supposed to be like the at-home way to like do the little micro needling stuff. And that, from what I understand, it really works. Like when you go to an actual doctor and have them stick the little needles in your face, it can get rid of scarring and like make your skin really plump up. And it basically, you're causing your skin to heal itself and fix itself and things like that. And from what I understand, that really works. But I could not imagine doing something like that myself at home. You know what I mean? Like I just, and not only that, the needles on the derma rollers to be able to sell at home and to do it at home, they're not as long as the ones that you would go and have done by a professional. So that's my other issue. It's like, it's not quite gonna go down deep enough to do what it's supposed to do. And it might cause scarring. And I don't know, like so I will not use this for sure. I don't even want to open it because there's no way I would ever use it. I'm just not in. I will show you guys a picture though of one up here. So I might, I don't know, gift that to a friend. I don't know, you guys. So let's open up the next box. And I think this is February's box right here. So there is, same thing, a little card inside. It's a little bit smaller. So this was January's card. This is February's card. All right, so let's pull out the first thing. There's like a nifty little thing here from Pure Soul, it looks like. Ooh, Ooh, this is cool. There's like a little rock thing. Okay, what is this? What is this? So this is a rose quartz heart I'm gonna put it right here for you guys. And this says that this retails for $24. It is a traditional healing technique used in East Asia called scraping. It is a massage tool. So you're supposed to like use this little edge here to like scrape your skin kind of, or run it over your face. Ooh, it feels really cold and really nice though. So if you have like super puffy eyes, I could definitely see it like putting a face mask on, do your mask Monday, and just kind of going over the mask and like massaging your skin with this. It does look really nifty, and I'll show you guys that. So yeah, I'm actually kind of happy to have that, something different. I don't have one of those, so that's pretty cool. All right, so the next thing in here is a mineral peel body natural non-abrasive exfoliant. So it's like an exfoliant for your body. I could have used this a few days ago. So I'm trying out some self tanners and some hair curlers and other things for you guys, and I needed to exfoliate my body. So here we go. Here's a body exfoliator. So let's see. It's got like a little squirt thingy. Ooh. It smells, I don't know if that smells good or not. So I'm really sorry, you guys, if you hear my son in the background. He is apparently giving Steve a run for his money right now, which I would say I feel bad for, but I really don't, because I have to deal with it like all week long. But anyways, back to this. So this does retail for $34. And basically it's exactly what it says. It's a mineral peel body exfoliant. So you spray it on your body, you let it sit on for a few seconds, and then use a washcloth and kind of, you know, wash it off, and then use your regular soap and rinse that off. You know what I'm saying? So you would do this like before like your self tanning, or if you want to get like a really close shave or something like that. You know what I mean? So this is actually really nice, and I'm super, super happy to have this. So far this box to me is a lot better than January's box. All right, so the next product in here is the Berry Bright Polishing and Brightening Enzyme Mask right here. And this is by Me Time Botanicals. And I'll show you guys what this looks like. So apparently this retails for $33. And I was just looking at the ingredients on here. It's got some good oils, and then it's got some not so good oils. So I don't know how I feel about some of these products, you guys. Like, it seems like there's a lot of oils in a lot of these products. And I do love some oils, but as you know, I said, not so others. Ooh, whoa. Okay. Not a big fan of the smell. Not a big fan of the smell. I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's on the peel thing. So it's definitely like a berry kind of mask. It says that you put it on your face and your throat, let it sit on for 15 to 20 minutes, and do this once to twice a week. I myself am not a fan of this, but some people might really like that kind of smell and like that kind of thing. And hey, more power to you. It's just, it's not my jam. And I'm not trying to be funny like jam is in jelly, because it kind of reminds me of jelly, but it isn't my deal. All right, so the next product and our last product is another one by Dirty Little Lamb, or Dirty Lamb. I'm sorry, if I've been saying Dirty Little Lamb this entire time, Dirty Lamb. Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum. And this is a non-greasy formula, smooth finish. So, okay, so the month before we got the Ultra Night Serum. And then in February's box, you got the Ultra Day Serum. So night and day. I feel like that's a lot of oils, like a lot of oils. And I mean, like I said, some oils are great, some not so much. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so this one actually isn't as oily as the other one. This is actually, ooh, but it's got like a sagey smell to it. Yeah, that smells like sage. What is that? Yes, it's got sage in there. Wow. Surprise, surprise. I told you it smelled like sage. That's got sage in there. So sage is a no-no oil for me. It's actually really far down on the list, but it does have sage oil in there. So I'm not a fan of that. Some of the other oils in here are really, really good oils though. So let's talk my final thoughts and review of the Bella Skin box. Now keep in mind, this box is $35 a month, and you do get up to $150 worth of skincare products and skincare tools, and everything seems to be like kind of like vegan. I tried to combine indie and vegan right there. Did you see that? All right. So everything kind of seems to be like indie brand, vegan, cruelty-free, made in America type brands. And if you're into this type of thing, then yes, yes, this is definitely, you're going to get your money's worth wholeheartedly, and I think you should get it. But if you're somebody like me and you like very light skincare, or you're very picky about your skincare, or you like a mix, or you like makeup and skincare in a box, then I would not recommend this box at all, because it's all skincare and skincare type tools and products. Now, are there some really fun and fascinating and amazing products in here? Absolutely. I am really excited for this mineral peel natural non-abrasive exfoliant right here. I think this is just amazing looking, and I can't wait to try this out. I really like the fact that it's not seriously scented, and it's just got like a very light oatmeal kind of scent to it. I am also really excited for the cuticle candy, and tell me, that just doesn't look very, very cool. Excited for that. Also, I really, really love this little rock thing. I mean, like, I could just totally see myself just sitting here pushing this against my face because it's so cold and it feels so good. Or like using this over my mask, you know what I mean? Like if you need a roller or something like that, like here you go. But things I'm not excited for, like the Derma roller, yeah, I won't touch that with the 10-foot pole. This Ultra Night Serum right here that was $52, that is insanity. I'm like, how is this $52? But apparently it is. Maybe it's something amazing. I will have to look into the ingredients a little bit more. Not a big fan of the lavender oils, some of the sage oils. It definitely seems to be very heavily oiled, a lot of these products. Heavily oiled and heavily scented, which I'm just not into essential oils in my skincare. So like I said, for me, like this box would be cool to try out like maybe once or twice a year, just to kind of get some of these really cool, nifty, different type of products. But to get it every month and spend $35 every month, I just definitely don't see myself doing that. I do really appreciate them sending this to me. And if they ever do want to send it to me again in the future, I would love to check out again some of these products because they do look amazing. Some of them look really, really fun and interesting. But just for me, I just don't think this is something that I would spend $35 a month on every single month. But I'm more of a makeup person and makeup channel. You guys know that. So, you know, hopefully they can, I don't know, maybe find a mix, but it is called Bella Skin Box. So it is geared more towards skin. You know what I mean? All right. So let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions down below. I love hearing from you and what you guys think. Do you feel like this is $35 worth it? Is this something that you're into yourself? I'm definitely curious to hear from you guys. And until next time, see ya.